Hello everyone and welcome to Sunday night live coding stream. Yeah, it's been a week again. Hey Bruce, how are you? It's been a week already. Time goes so fast. Like really fast. I'm good. Just trying to get oriented towards coding. Okay. Let's go to the Bonzomatic and start doing something. Last time we did some nice how to call that? Shape stuff, repetitions, and that kind of things. And I'm thinking to continue with that a bit today. Not like continuing with the same shader, but with the idea, with the exploration. I'm coding too right now. Okay, what are you coding? Hello, Pannapudi, how are you? So for today I'm gonna use a different tactics array marching than I've used previously. So I'm gonna check a bit from my references how to do things correctly. So yeah. So for this I need kind of the usual stuff that I need for everything, like var. And then we have this pixel R that is something that I think, well, I can define it here. This might seem a bit weird. Yes, I can do that. Can I do it as a const? Think not. Yeah. That's what I thought. Yeah. And then the usual epsilon thing, which I might use or might not use. So yeah, today I'm doing a bit different remarching loop here. So yeah, that's what we are doing. I'm gonna change the tunnel a bit because it makes me... I don't like watching it. Oh. Oh. My bad. Oh right, I should use UV here. Okay. Now we have just Radiant for a bit. Doesn't look as hectic as the tunnel, but there's still some color at the screen. Yes, black, please. Well, not black, but almost. Okay. So yeah. The quite usual scene function. And our test sphere that we have there. And the marching function that doesn't at this point look that much different. But soon you'll notice the difference. I shouldn't use that name. So let's say ST. Let's try with this. So now you're seeing that this is a bit different. So yeah. Oh, right, I need the radius function for this. Radius, I mean sine function. Sine function that doesn't return 0. Important. So yeah, this is kind of a binary search way of doing dry marching. So it's a bit faster, but it's also harder to implement and takes more space if you want to do some like size coding. But then again, the results are way better. But I think I have some stuff here a bit wrong in the way that I have used it previously, so let's see if I can fix this. Where am I? Oh, right. I have been doing this way. All right. So I take the previous sign here. So yeah, let's see how this goes. So this is signed radius and this is like just the absolute value of the radius. Yeah, it should be constant, but I can't define pixel as a constant because it has this resolution which is variable. So yeah, I can't really make it as a constant. Let's see how this goes, because now there is much chance of failing. And I'm writing fail right here. If omega is larger than 1 and radius plus rev radius, I would like to have an automatic text. Like the thing that tell me what to write. Like how so that I wouldn't typo as much. If we failed, then we reduce the step, which is now named ST. And just return the omega value how it was if we didn't fail.
You're listening to SceneSat Radio.
Okay. If we didn't fail and our error is smaller than candidate error, then we choose our candidate t to be current t value, and candidate error is then the error value. If we didn't fail and our error value is smaller than pixel, or or our t value is larger than far, then we brake, because then we hit, or are just far. And now we do this, and also do this. And I don't do yet error reduction because, oh, 49, what do I do there? Oh, what? Now we test this, and then we continue working with this. So yeah, again, building camera here. So yeah, ways of doing ray marching are not just one. There are different ways of writing the equation and yeah, some optimization stuff that we are now exploring here. Because ray marching is kind of brute force, it's not efficient. It's not efficient at all. It's just a way to do stuff, and it's usually good for size coding and live coding because you can do fast, kind of nice stuff, but it's still not efficient way of doing 3D graphics. I'm sorry, I just tried to breathe water. Generally speaking, that's not good for your health. Yeah. Okay. Where am I? I'm here. Yeah. Normal conversation with yourself, like, where am I? Who am I? What is this? Okay. Yay, we have a sphere. So it's working for now. Now I'm gonna do a bit of shading for it because all the issues don't show until there's shading. Oh, and by the way, this is something that's very This value depends on the scene, because if you have very simple scene, this can be higher. Oh yeah. Some shading. Some shading we are doing next. I'm doing this different kind of loop because I want to do it, or I mean I want to do more complex scene. So that's why I do this, and probably I want to do different kind of shading as well than I will do now. This is just debug shading. Oh, this is float. Okay, now soon we're gonna see if I wrote this correctly. Let's pick some light direction. Oh, true. True. I don't know where that light should be, somewhere. We're looking at that direction, so why not? Yeah. Yay. It was okay. Yay. It's like I'm always surprised myself when I get something right. I'm like, huh, it worked. But that's how it goes. Let's start with this and start building the scene, and then maybe later I'll do some that's hard word. Error reduction. If we speak Finnish. So yeah. I'm gonna use some functions from the Mercury library. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of these, but let's copy-paste this one. No, this is the copy-paste coding part of this. As at the moment I'm not doing like something where I need time. Okay, yeah, this is already there. It's not something that I'm doing like competing or something like that. So no. Oh yeah, I have also the version 2, Vector 2 version of this. So these are the usual functions that I usually like write by hand because they are so easy. But then there is all these domain repetition functions. Also, this is the rotation function I usually use. It's simple, so I remember it, so I usually just write it by hand. But yeah. I'm not gonna use everything from here, but I'm just taking them here to kind of as a starting point to see where this goes. And then we can, like, we don't have to use everything, but we can. But yeah. Let's start by having some plain here. Ground plane. Left plane. And then let's take. Oh. Box. Let's have a box here. A unit box. Let's start with this. Okay, now we don't have anything. Well, that's convenient. Okay, let's start with only the box. I think our camera is, but I should move it. Yeah, maybe now we can actually have the plane here as well. Okay. Okay. But now we can at least see these things. As we don't have yet any material IDs. So let's start modifying the space. Let's start modifying the space. This. I want to use this one. And of course with this one. Dist. Translate before mirroring. Okay, so this is basically just the symmetry thing. So yeah, it does some kind of symmetry for this scene. I don't know. Let's say something like this, maybe. Yay! Now we have more cubes here. Yeah, now we have 4 cubes here. Why not? Why not put them there? I could also do some kind of crate with this. Mirror every second cell at the diagonal as well. So if we start doing some more geometry, yeah. How about this? Yeah. If we don't do this, how would this change? Okay. So now there is kind of more of the boxes. I could make these a bit asymmetrical so that, yeah, now we can see the effect more clearly. Yeah, and see how smooth this line is here. See how smooth this is. That's why I use the other ray marching loop here. Because I like the smoothness factor of it. Okay. Okay. What else should I do here? I'm trying to do this kind of let's try this. Mirror in both dimensions and then at the diagonal, yielding 1/8 of the space. Let's translate by distance before mirroring, okay. Let's use the same offset. Let's translate it first. As this kind of said that I should. What if I do this here? Okay, now let's start. Oh, I'm using this already here. I should do this here. Yes. Now I have these crosses here. This was the one thing that I wanted to do. Let's do polar coordinate stuff with n repetitions. What polar? I think this is Vec2, yes. No, I think this was float. Yes. Yeah. So this way we can do a bit more interesting scenes. Okay, now we're starting to see some errors here, because these cells are not like, well, yeah. So, creating mazes with this now. Okay, this is kind of cool point for building. Now, of course, this is now very dull color and everything, no shading yet. But we have nice shape here. And we can have some IDs from here. For example, this returns float. So we have 3 IDs to use here. And again, I'm gonna use some stuff from another people. This is color palette stuff from IQ. Maybe I put it. Where should I put it? Somewhere here.
Something beneath your reality. Imagine there's something more to reach for you.
I'm gonna move the defines out of here.
Never mind.
Because I'm gonna use those here. Because this is the same as tau. Okay, now I'm gonna try to find nice palettes. For materials. Of course, I could use no material ID, just here in the shading functions, just vary the palette thing. And why not? Why not do that? Let's try this one. Okay. There's Vec 3A, Vec 3B, Vec 3C, and Vec 3D that it takes as a parameters A, B, C, D. B, C, D. Yeah. This is my creative process. Yay. Now there is a bit more color. And we can see the palette. We can do it a bit more subtle as well. Hey Branch, how are you? I'm exploring stuff. Try to remember how to do nice shapes. Using the Mercury STF library and IQ's color palette stuff, which I will soon. I will use it a bit differently soon, but this is just for now. And now there is some discontinuity errors there. I know that there are still, I'm using the different kind of ray marching loop for now. I'm using the binary search and I don't have the error reduction implemented yet. So this is like the binary search march thing. So it's a bit different. But I'm gonna do first the guard for this thing. If I can. Let's try. I'm using the cheap box for that because computation is, well, easier with that. So basically I'm gonna have it as the same dimensions as I have here. And then I have forgotten everything. No max, but apps. I'm just thinking about and checking. Alright, this should be the largest dimension here. So this should be like this, I think.
Radio.
Okay, it helped a little. Yeah, sure, the dimension of height can be changed. But it doesn't help here because I know that I haven't yet implemented this continuity reduction part here, which I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna do it now. So yeah, here we have this error, candidate error stuff. And now we're gonna go backwards a bit. We're doing 6 iterations of this. So Let's see how it goes. I don't know if that was like better or worse. I would say a bit better. I should read the paper again. To actually check out now it only does this. Kind of so-so. But of course there will be always errors if these are like very complex. So, yeah. Have I forgot something here? No. Yeah, we're going backwards here. This might tell you. But should I use T here is the different thing. Something like this. Oh, right. Going now, I don't know. Well, that was kind of the result before. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna modify the scene a bit. Because, of course, now it's a mess. Yeah. Just have enough space and everything will be fine. Also, let's move the camera a bit, so that's not like... Oh, nice. That wasn't the one thing that I wanted. Maybe something like this. You meant this angle? One-third rule, maybe. Yeah. Hey Vesa, how are you? Thank you for the bits. My mouse is running out of batteries. Slowly but surely. So yeah, I have IDs here, so I can do some color stuff. Fine, thanks, just popping in for some minutes. Yay! Thank you for popping in. I need my thinking hoodie. If I just don't do this. If I just use that. No, it's actually worse. So this actually does improve it. Actually quite a bit. With this, I want to test the difference now. No. With this scene, no. I think this actually should be this one because that's what I'm checking later. But yeah, go and know. So this value, of course, will now have more errors because, yeah. Because in this scene it actually has to be 1. What if I do this? Nice. What if I do this? Okay. What if I do this? This is interesting. Of course, now there's a lot of discontinuity going on. Okay. Let's make the block symmetric. This is just like random testing of stuff. What if I shift this a bit? Oh, I have actually shifted. Minus offset. Yeah. Worried that you have to fake it until you make it with those discontinuities. Yeah, sure. Let's just step a bit more. I'm not doing that many steps. And also my far is. I can do more steps. I think. I'm just bit like, what am I doing wrong now? Because I've used this quite nicely before, the same loop. Let's go it through once again. I don't know, for some reason I've done beforehand SGNC.RO, but it should be the same as this. But then for some reason I have put this to 0, and this definitely isn't the same as this, but here as now I'm kind of doing the first march from origin, but I'm like moving this by epsilon here by doing this already, like here. Huh. But that's not something that should be concerned here, and also that's kind of wrong, because yeah, this should be correct. Well, I should read the paper again someday. Yeah, I like the center. Well, we need to just do some camera tricks here. It's not like we haven't done that before. It's not like that. And maybe use some different offsets in different places. For example, here I could use this. Oh, or like this. Okay, maybe not there, maybe here. Or how about this? Oh. Nah. Yeah, I've actually used this kind of scenes in intros quite often. It's just my way of doing that. Those discontinuities are breaking. Well, I should actually use this here, I think. And then this might get me in more trouble. I should use this because this is the largest of the dimensions that I'm doing this. Guards help, but they don't do miracles. If I don't rotate this, how does this look like? Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna check. How to cheat with this. Maybe I should rotate already here. Okay, yeah, now this rotates. Sure. Okay. What happens if I do this? Okay. That's quite interesting. About. Still nothing. This is quite odd. Oh right, because I'm doing this here. If I don't do this here, it's kind of incorrect. Because it should be done there. But then I can do this. And then we are again in the situation where it doesn't work. Okay. All right. But not that much better when it comes to the things. Oh, right. Ah. I said it out loud and still didn't remember it. Oh my god. This is not exactly better. This is actually better. And now I can have these rotations in two places. Yay. Of course, always when I rotate, stuff that goes like breaks the cell borders, there will be discontinuity. And that's just a thing. Okay. Now I have ID here. What happens if I do this? Okay, that happens. Yeah, I shouldn't use that. I just want to see how it goes, because it tells a bit how the scene is formed. yeah, no, not gonna use that. This can rotate in different pace. Yeah. If it wasn't broken. Ah. Well, maybe I should just implement the very, very basic brute force loop and use it. Because why not? And just see how I can fix that. I should read the article again and check if my implementation is correct. Hi, I'm Ink. How are you? Welcome to see my broken shaders thing. Okay, float T. Let's see what else I need. This one. No, not here. Broken or just artistic? Yeah, this is broken. This is broken. So I'm implementing another ray marching loop to see if I get it better by that. Because there are multiple ways of doing ray marching. Yeah, didn't help much. We can do this. I would say this is still more correct than this one. Yeah. Using previous frame as extra sample. Yeah, that works. But yeah, here I'm just gonna use this for now. Let's go with this and see what we can do with it. I'm gonna not do that because this actually works better. It's just a hard scene for this kind of rendering. Maybe some fog. It doesn't help for the discontinuities, but let's move on from those for a bit. And yeah. What happens if I do this? This is not correct though. No, yeah, it's not correct. I was doing something. It's not fair for me to complain. Why it's not fair for you to complain? I don't get it. Of course you can complain. I can just ignore it though. Okay. Yeah, it's my vision. You're correct. If I have any vision at all, that's sometimes what I wonder. Okay. Let's do some kind of fog. Just very simple one. With no light stuff with it. Fog amount is 1.0 minus exp of minus dist of P and ray origin. Well, better than I do. I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't compare that. Sometimes I feel distance. For God's sake. By the way, I stopped using dist as a name for my distance functions. After one shader showdown, I spent way too many minutes on figuring why my fog doesn't work. Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't nice. What would be a good fog color? I don't know. I just put something there. Yeah. Reddish. Reddish fog. What was the peach color? You knew it, Branch. Demo effect Mars, yeah. Okay. Well, that's okay. Okay, let's start doing some material IDs. Oh. 255-229-180. Let's try. Well, the first one is the easiest one. But then again, I could do this. Wow, it's quite bright. Well, it's still nice. It's bright, but it's kind of nice. But I can make it darker, but use the same kind of color. Yeah. Just take the edge out of it. material IDs. That was the thing that I was doing here. Well, here is a good place. This is getting very bloaty at the moment. I still use, even though these are not corns, but these are global, so I use it a bit differently. And then I have the float ID. And this was actually IDD, this is ID. I have unused functions here, which we'll get rid of afterwards. Why not combine these? Oh, did I do it this way? Whoops. Let's go and change it. IID. Then of course I could use material ID for the thing, but now I'm just a bit lazy and yeah. I just do this. Okay. Not that good. For this... yeah. Preparing to sleep. Have a good night's sleep, and it was nice that you were here. We use this one. Oh yeah, this is better. Okay, this is nice. What if we do even this? Plus ID. Plus ID. Don't know. Okay, yeah, this is nice. This I like. And then I want to check one trick with the lighting. Yeah. Stationary light. Yeah. But I'm using this one. Of course I can use two lights And this is in Origin. If I don't average this out. Yeah. Now it's just very light scene. Very light indeed. Discontinuities, yes. Working with those. I can check later. Later what to do with those. Let's do some motion blurring. Maybe it helps a bit, but of course it's not a miracle fix for this. Yeah. Let's move the camera a bit. Let's see how we get move the camera. Leaves interesting ghost artifacts. Yes, because the color and the artifacts here, it does leave artifacts. Maybe I could tune it down a bit. I kind of like that it makes it a bit soft. I like the look. And also two lights makes it so much more, I don't know. Well, different. Okay. Where should we go? Let's start with somewhere else then from Origin. Let's also look forward. Wow. 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 Maybe let's start from here. We're on the carousel. I want to do this. I very badly want to do this. Oh, yeah. Exploring the worlds you create.
Teacher. You understand me. All I'm trying to say is be merciful, and you'll find people respect you.
We're getting closer to the origin all the time. But maybe still I want to be facing forward. By the way, I want to do FFT sync for the rotation here. I want to do some sculpting. A bit. Just a bit. What? What? What now? What now? Yeah. This is pretty okay. This is something that I actually like. Okay, I need to take this like somewhere near, more near the origin, maybe. Yeah, this is good. Good point to start. Maybe we watch a bit. More downwards. So what do you think? Is it ready? Should we add something? Should we remove something? Oh yeah, we should remove a lot of things. All the unused functions. For example, this I don't use, I think. Yeah, I don't use that. That I use. That. This uses that. This I don't use. Yeah. This I use, I think. Yeah, great, I use. This I don't think I use. Yeah. This I don't use. This I use. This I don't use. this. I don't use. I don't use this. I don't use this either. Do I use this? Do some of the functions use this? No. So we're good. Plane I use, box I use. Sphere I don't use. I ended up using box as a cutout. Everything else I do use. Phi. Do I use phi anywhere? No. Tau I use here and Tau uses pi, so that's okay. Okay. And maybe I ease the FFT a bit. Let's make it only like 8 times or something, so when it's fast it's not... or 5 times, so it's not going that crazy. I think we are ready here. I kind of like how the colors came to be. I know there's still a lot of like discontinuities that I should work with, but yeah, I still like it. Yeah, I think it's time to pick someone to raid. It's that time of the evening when we do that. Let's see who's online. Again, my Twitch isn't showing that good options. I know Chips and Bricks is online, so why not go and say hi to Frankie and friends. Last time we raided Queer Arcana and we're gonna do that again sometime. But maybe let's go and see Chips and Bricks for a bit. So some old hardware. And see you again tomorrow, because we are I'm streaming music tomorrow. So yeah, I hope to see you then. Thank you so much for today. I don't know what to do, what scene to pick. Maybe I just do this. Maybe I just do this. So yeah. Have a nice evening.